for this. So let's go ahead and see if it's ready. So I'll click on dashboard. Next, I'll click on WordPress and then click on staging. So you'll see that the staging is completed now. So it says the status is complete. So now we can check our websites. So let's first take a look at the staging domain. Okay, so here is the staging domain. Now let's visit this website right here. So I'll go ahead and copy this and paste it. And you'll now see the new website reflects from the staging area. So that's a way you can make changes to your website without affecting the live website. Next, let's talk about how to use Hostinger's email service Reach. On the left side, you'll see Reach, click on Reach, and then you'll click on Start for Free. Next, it'll ask you to choose a newsletter, but just go ahead and click on the free plan. And first, let's connect our website. So I'll scroll down and then under Connect the Sites, I'll click on Connect Site. We'll select WordPress, and then we'll select our domain. Then you'll click on Select Site, then you'll connect the website. Once you connect the website, it'll then bring you back to your WordPress dashboard. Now you're gonna scroll down and then click on Add Form or Plugin.